right there. Look at you see them in the road, watch ya. A breeze blow off them in the road a while ago, you know. So we are past the flour mill, guys. You see the buildings. Yes, please.
Cameras capture the experience.
Yeah, my people, greetings. They are right now. I head go to the airport now, man. This is the sign there right there, so. Alright there. The weather rough out here, I tell you some breeze that blow me pass through town. I bet you look over there, so look how the sea rough. The sea rough. But stay tuned, my people. I show you what go on the way here. Weather. Look on the weather, people. Breeze a blow hard, you know. Yeah, man, the breeze a blow hard. Them in the road, watch ya. A breeze blow off them in the road, you know, a while ago, you know. Alright, so this is a breeze a go on with itself. Look how look over the sea rough. Look there. I don't know if you can see, but look there. The sea rough. The people. Look there. See rough, what kind of bad weather this in the day, yeah. Cha-cha. I go call down a country and see what go on Ryan side. So we are past the flour mill, guys. Yeah, this is Jamaica flour mill right here. Yup. See it there? Yeah, man, so the weather look on the sea, you know. My beautiful people. So we made it to the airport and the sign at the roundabout is now newly and freshly installed. Last time I came here, it was only white. Now it is fully colored and looking vibrant, showing all of the signs of the Jamaican culture. Yes, so this is a newly renovated roundabout leading to the airport, Manley International Airport. There's a sign that says Kingston. Okay. Yes, the people up on the airport front here. Rain take over the whole place, whole airport. Everybody have to seek shelter right now. You know? But this is the front of the airport. Right now looking for you, Bert. My guess is done at the arrival area. So let's see. So it should be somewhere down here. Him that me just glimpse. See boss, eh? Yes, the boss is here. Oh God. Remember last time I come around this side. One time I ever come around, I say, you know, one single time. Yeah. So nice, you could stop, nice, you could spot. But the water always there, you can't swim out yourself. You can't swim out yourself. Eh?
Swim out yourself.
Then the most. Yeah, watch it. Yo, you have to get washed away in this, brother. You know, ask, you look there. From way down the side, eh? From all the way back. So you said top boss?
Yeah.
Which is right, fully. Yeah, man, I don't know, you know, the big bad talented artist in a J-Motion. You see it? Slash entrepreneur, you know?
Yeah.
Tell them, you know? Yes, right. So which part with there, brother?
We're there by airport road, you know?
Alright, that's it there. So we are touching at the airport. So make a pick up. Alright, cool, man. Alright, you know what the thing said. Cool, man. Yeah, I said it. Yes, I'm there up on the block. This is a view, you know. This is a place. I wonder what this is there. So, I'm more sure we're going to check out what go on the top yourself. Come like a whole heap of people come up here, man. It's hard to go up, you know. I'm afraid that the man not set the clocks, man. Look on the view, yeah, man. Watch out when I reach the top yet. It's a nice view, this is in motion. Watch out. I see over the other side there, I see the road. Right, watch all the side there, water wash through here some more while. So now, so the Clark Star originally now, where are the youth? Mine Clark Sue, you know? Out here. It's up on the top of the mountain, my boss. Yes, guys. And switch by here and park, yeah, people. Park out here, so. Yo, you can look on the layout of the rock from here, so you know, watch it. And me, if I tell you, can't come out here so come swim, man.
So now what they say over the side here?
Why you don't know? Probably I throw a whole heap of breeze that come from that side, yeah. Watch it. About 8 ship out there, say no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and so one there at school. What's one more there too? 8, 9, 10. 10 huge ship out in the place. Eh? Yeah. Yo. Dry away, brother. Watch it. Watch it, people. Crazy out here. The water rough, you know, man. Look there. Yo,
you know, some man love the water here. Them need to look at something
surfing. Yeah, that's a for them. But me not try. Yo, right now.
For them, yes.
Yeah. Right now I feel like a beer shark in the water here right now, brother. We have to tell the people them about yourself as an artist. You want to tell them something? So there is downtown Kingston. Right there looking at, you see the tall buildings. You see if I could zoom in. You see the buildings. Yes, peeps. That is downtown Kingston you're looking at right there. But it is so windy out here. Yo, look at this drop off. This is all sun. This hill right here is all sun. Where you say tell you that, boss? Active. See it there? You're outside. Breeze not normal, brother. Not normal out here at all. Cha-cha, we around so we are come from, you know. We around that side there. Yeah, we're back in at the airport here. Manley International. Yeah, be here foreigner fly in, you know. So what I do? All I wanna come in a Jamaica for some, I wanna go on with. Nah, miss out. Tell you that.
Tell you that, behave with yourself.
Behave with yourself. So we go around here, so go park. You see, finally reach.
Yeah, man.
I don't know, beach.
Yeah, go on a local tour, you know?
Yeah.
Europe.
Europe. Cool of my boss. Tell you that. Boss, I fly out. Yeah, you know the famous Manley International Airport. Yeah. This is where all of the tourists them come in. Well, you don't know we have songsters, but this is the main airport in Jamaica. So you say how long you been in an airport? How long since you travel?
5 years.
5 years since you travel? Yeah. So where you going? Birmingham?
Yeah, man, Birmingham.
Cha-cha youth. Alright. So see you upon the plane, people. Yes, brother. Fly off, fly, but come like at the wrong gate today, you know. So still waiting, people. Still a wait. Dincy Pen. Watch helicopter land. See them? Me have it now, man. See helicopter in front of you, babe. Cheese and peas.
Me looking at sky. Why? And you say land.
No, sir. Land in the sky, my love. It looks so.
Oh, and then he says a white helicopter. Like, how could you miss that?
And that me I say, right. Right, you see there? Gone up in the area now. Yeah. What do you have me emotion around joke and I say, everywhere L.A. Lewis name there. Your emotion no? If man die water, you go and see power and stone. Hear me now, no? Hear me now, no? And what the one of my brethren come from England and man say when him a pass now and plane him say L.A. Lewis name on the cloud. Cha-cha.
When we were in Sydney last month, when I drive and we see this plane, I write out, will you marry me in the cloud?
For sure?
Alright, who?
Write out, will you marry me? Or I say marry me.
Oh, somebody will get married. I propose. Yeah, these are factories.
It's not that, I just need to know.
These are all factories right here, all factories. Something like Sky Explorer that man, like what we da do.
Turn side of them.
What that?
We're
Cloud?
in the air. We're on a big zip line going across 2 mountains.
What that? Get rid of that. Yes, people, see me when me there in Australia. Up in the clothes that me there in people. Yeah man. Me and Rosie there. Yeah, Rosie voice in her back. I'm going again. Yeah, Rosie voice in her back. Yes, people. Wow, I'm bringing up on a new tour there, so. You see it.
Coming soon.
Coming soon. You see the video. You were have to send me footage. We say be stinging while you zip line. How we are say?
And him save the camera.
Man say hold on the camera. That come like me if me have a spliff. It not drop.
Really weird.
So we now downtown Kingston here with the authentic because historic buildings. These buildings are here for many years now. Decades. Slingshot. A bingy. Them one they are not slingshot, them they are bingy because Jamaica this. Slingshot they are foreign. We don't use slingshot, we use bingy out here.
That look like one slingshot.
That was the flavor of your sister Eddie Hubert.
What am I to?
How was this? Remember, you know them call it slingshot, but Jamaica.
Oh,
yes.
Oh, yeah,
we
yeah,
say
yeah,
bingy.
Yeah.
Yes, so from it reach a Jamaica and a slingshot again, a bingy.
Bingy with slingshot, we call it bingy in Jamaica.
Oh.
Slingshot are what them use a foreign, like bingy where you shoot bird with a name, something there.
Oh.
Yeah. The fishing village to the right here.
Yeah, one time for Portland. No, Portland, what do you know?
Portland.
Manchin.
Turkey Cove.
Yeah,
Turkey Cove. Nice.
Pretty warm.
Warm, the water not cold.
Everything.
Nice, like nicest water I'm going so far.
Nice sea water.
Yeah?
It just in a salty, it just I don't know,
Different.
Yeah, come like river and sea water mixers.
Yeah. What is going on? It's like some meeting, something. Watch a whole plane and somebody can't give me that plane, I'm gonna set it up. See the right in front of the yellowish building or BH building.
Oh.
See the whole plane?
Yeah.
Yeah. Somebody can't give me set it up.
One better one, the right, this with the red something.
Oh, and see a helicopter that we passing at Insipend that.
Maybe.
Look so. You see these people, Hubert a drop off himself, you know.
See helicopter the way it see, babe.
I hate that. But I look like I get up back again, I take off
Why
back.
would that come from the
Watch
way?
out sign, the design. Them have one inside too. Yes, you see it here people. Great Norman Manley International, you know.
Go way back.
Yes, and this is the drop off area. It's my brother, I done one of the things I can drag out here. You link up. Yes, my boss. Boss, I head out, you know. Yes, Rosie. So there I want to look at spot here, so first time she come here. I come show her what I want. Yeah, with the right half, the main road leading to Norman Manley. We have motion passed through here, so what did here a few days ago. There are a lot of people there here take picture, view the ocean. The ocean pretty lovely. Pretty. So, makes sense? Does that make sense?
Makes sense. Feel the breeze.
Alright. So you can see beer people there here a view. Hold on for my shirt.
Let's slide.
Yeah, slide. Watch Rosie a struggle. Yo, a whole heap of breeze a blow. Breeze heavy. see everything from here, so now, look.
Wow.
Yes. You can see everything. You can see everything from here. You like the view?
Beautiful.
Beautiful?
Yes.
Alright. Watch out. And look at that side. Look at that side, you know? See how see back. They are right on the beach. And the place nice. Outside, look at the beautiful ocean, people. Rosie here with me, she have video. Watch it. Hey, see me there? Yeah, well, on the beautiful sky and the sun in the sky. Wow, that's amazing. And look, there is downtown Kingston right there. Look at the beautiful background, the mountains. Wow, look at that, look at that. Yes, so this is the main road leading to Manley International Airport. Also, this road can take you to Port Royal if you make the first exit at the roundabout. So this is the view right here, and you can see the end of the landmark. It continues beyond this, but this is as far as you can see. There's a lighthouse right here. I'm being belted in sun right now. The wind is hot and very icy. Rosie, don't get blown away. Right now I feel like if I jump and fly away. Oh, nobody do it. Watch out. You should try to do it if you get blown away. Watch your step in the road. Watch your step, Rosie. Watch it, you know. Made it down. Nice view. Ocean front, beach front. Hey, you can't swim in this, you know. I wanna come from, no J.A. I'm a birthplace, I wanna play A. Stop by the river, on a Sunday. Then me drive, go the beach, down a Bay. In a Portland, I wanna reach there. But no worry, cause everything safe there. Next door, St. Thomas, next door. Oh, look there. Hey, if you're going at this, man, you must fun. Maybe I'm... Launch on the beach, but me not turn. Turquoise seas with the white sun. Not the lifestyle me live for me innocent time. Rosie. For the road right at the jerk pan. Me one piece of chicken, she one piece of ham. Give me 2 bread and 2 festival and a 1 rest drive for my hole in them. Just get a car for reach Carrington. A J.A. lifestyle this man. I wanna come from, no J.A. I'm a birthplace, I wanna play.
We are on top of the world.
Nice little experience, nice little beach. Look on it, man, for the beach. Pretty. Wow. Yeah, so I touch back on the road and now Rose say she hungry.
Yes.
And me feel like I don't eat a cow. Yeah, so we are up on the road right now. Okay, so there is where we're coming from, all the way across over there. So me no want to build them up in the place, take a in here me live. Look a lot for that you know around that village. Them a go a done, save a figure wash off my skin. My queen a say she love the style she get from the king. My pattern and my flow you know me bring from within. Anywhere me go you know I saw me do me thing. So this is a downtown we were looking at when we were on Sand Hill at the beach. Right off the main road leading to Manley Airport. Yes, now we are in downtown Kingston. Yes, this is where we came last year to watch the fireworks. We were standing somewhere near here. Yeah. So this is downtown Kingston. Here are the huge buildings you saw earlier. And we are on the waterfront right now. Then I get our food, yeah. So some sakura. What you get? Crispy and what?
Spicy.
Spicy.